Hello friends, today we are going to see how to set tool offset on CNC lathe machine. I will first will discuss the theoretical part of this, then I will show you the actual demonstration uh, on the CNC lathe machine. A programmer writes a part program considering the work zero position or a workpiece home position, which you can see on your screen, but the tool is at a home position before the program is executed. Thus, there is a difference in the distance between the program tool path and the actual tool path. This variation is called as a tool offset. Tool offset is the distance from the tool tip to the workpiece. This is a tool tip and this is the work surface area which has been taken place along the x-axis, y-axis and the z-axis. But here, as this is a tool offset which you are taking on the CNC lathe machine, so there is a x and z-axis offset is possible. You can see how the tool is moving. The tool get just touching to the z-axis or the face of the workpiece. Now, how to take the x offset? So, in order to take the x offset, the tool is touched to the cylindrical surface of the workpiece, and the workpiece diameter value is input in the x offset. So, for that, we have to, when the tool touches to the outer periphery of this component, then take a vernier or a micrometers and note down the reading, and that reading has to be entered in the x offset. There is one table I will show you in the demonstration. Then next is the z offset. So in order to take the z offset, the tool is touched to the face of the cylindrical surface of the workpiece, and the zero value is input in the z offset. So take it that in the z offset, always when the tool touches to the component, the face of the component, then you have to put the value 0, 0, means z 0.00. Now we'll go to the demonstration. So first press the offset button. After that, we'll see this screen. And now press, there are two offsets, one is the wear and other one is the geometry offset. You first press the geometry offset button, move the cursor in which you want to take the offset. Suppose I am going for the tool number 2, okay, whose offset has to be get set. You will have to select the jog mode. Right. After selecting the jog mode, now we can move the tool rapidly, okay, by selecting the z-axis or x-axis as per the requirement. You can see here we are just touching the tool over the x-axis now. After touching the tool on the outer periphery of this component, take a vernier or a micrometer and measure the size of the component. So that size will be 39.91. Again come to the window here and put the value of x. You can see here x 39.91. Then press a button measure. So it will get entered. Now this is the offset value which has been entered. Then after selection of that, you can go for the Z offsetting. So again with the help of arrow key. So see, if you are pressing, I am coming to the X offsetting there. Now again the tool, we are moving towards the face of the component. It will just touching to that. So after touching this, you can see that the tool get touch on the face of the component. Now this value, when you are entering here, the Z value will be always Z0.00, and then press the measure button. You can see the value will get changed here. Now this value is the offset value along the Z axis. So in this way we can set the X and Z value, okay, offset value, and now we are moving the turret to its home position.